All right, so drawing lips in profile you find is also very different, right? It looks nothing like the lips do from the front view. It's as if you're learning to draw a whole new entire thing, just like with the nose. So what I want you to do is make sure you take the time to learn how to draw the lips properly. Make sure to get that side angle here. Get this angle correct. It's really super important. So make sure to do the measurements when you draw your faces in profile view. Draw and measure everything for your template looks right, and then add your lips where they're supposed to be. Make sure you get the angle of that top lip right, angle of that bottom lip correct. It's kind of like the eye in a way, that same triangle type of way, just reversed around. Get that down correct. Make sure your lips look good in the side view, and fill up pages. Do as many as you have to until they at least look decent before you move on. You don't want to overload your brain either, so don't do more than like 20 for right now. You want to, build up over time and get better and better. But each time, make sure to do the measurements until they're looking correct, until you can draw them and they look correct. Then after that, after you're drawing some sketches and you're not doing any measurement, check it to make sure it looks right. Actually, get your template and kind of place it over. A good exercise you can do actually is have whatever size you're drawing the faces in, that template that you've made for yourself. Take that template and keep that size in mind, and then from your mind without the template, go ahead and draw a face from the profile view, and then take that template and overlay it. Use tracing paper if you're using pencil and paper. If you're using an art program, all you have to do is use a layer and turn it off and on, and see how close you got to that. If you're way off, then go back to measuring again. Keep doing that until when you draw from without measuring, it looks right. Sometimes you might always have to measure. Some days you'll just be off, and you'll have to do measurements. Even to this day, sometimes I have to sit there and do my measurements. They're much quicker now in how I do it, but I have to kind of keep some of those measurements in mind and still kind of draw little marks and stuff. Otherwise, my face just doesn't look right. Other days, everything's on it and I can just draw it really fast and it's awesome. So you'll have those off days. Keep that in mind. I'll see you in the next lesson.